Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Indian carrot pickle. Start by washing, peeling, and slicing carrots into thin sticks. Sprinkle salt and let them sweat for 30 minutes to draw moisture. Rinse and pat dry thoroughly, then mix with mustard seeds, fenugreek, turmeric, and chili powder. Heat oil until it shimmers and pour over the spice carrot mix to bloom aromas, then pack into a sterilized jar and seal. Temper the spices to unlock robust flavors for your pickle. Warm oil in a pan, add mustard and cumin seeds until they pop, then add fenugreek and a pinch of asafoetida for depth. Quickly stir in turmeric and red chili powder, remove from heat, and carefully pour the hot oil spice mix over the prepared carrots. Stir well so the heat coats every piece, then transfer to a clean jar for settling and infusion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: if your car or kitchen towels ever trap strong smells, grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, familiar scent that makes the drive home nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Proper storage helps your pickle taste better over time. Press the spiced carrots into a sterilized jar, leaving minimal headspace, then seal and keep at room temperature for 2 to 3 days so flavors meld. Taste after settling and move to the fridge once you like the tang. Always use a clean spoon to serve and enjoy with rice, parathas, or sandwiches. Flavors deepen the longer it sits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.